word is splatter. To splatter, or as a noun, a splatter, a countable noun. So to splatter is to hit the water surface and create a lot of droplets flying around as a result of this hitting. Usually it's applicable to a thick liquid, such as oil or mud. So, and splatter as a noun, it's those droplets by themselves. So usually we can have splatter at cooking, for example, splatter of oil during frying something. That's why we have splatter protectors. Those kind of lid which or a net with a form of lid which we put on the fry pan. So splatter, to splatter.